Albert Einstein said, I don't need to know everything. Don't need to know everything. I just need to know where to find it when I need it. As we're making lifestyle changes, we want to be healthy, but sometimes things happen. And maybe we're building from a position that we've not been as healthy. We have some diseases, some things going on. We need to get healthier, but things happen. Even on an everyday basis, we have people around us or us, we may have asthma attacks, food poisoning. We ate something, got some food poisoning. We're outside, something happens, whether for us, a loved one, someone we see, heart attack happens. Things happen. What would we do if we were out and about and these things happen? Somebody ate something that didn't know there were nuts in it or something, went into anaphylactic shock. What would we do? We have a book that's going to help train you and teach you what you can do in those situations. But we don't need to memorize the material. It's in digital format. So you download it and we give you the option of downloading it twice. You download it to your phone, it's with you at all time, or your iPad, and you download it to your home computer. So you never lose it when we change phones and devices. You can upload it back to the device, or if you change your device. It's available. We want these things at our fingertips, ready to be used as needed. But we're also putting together, we have people that come in and said, I just want to make some lifestyle changes. I don't know where to start. We have another book that actually should be available in the next 4 weeks. 9 Laws of Health. Covers all aspects from stress, which we know is a huge factor in illness across the board. It was originally in the original numbers when I first started studying, 70% of all illnesses that send us to a doctor's office, anything from a cold to cancer, anything that's on the serious side, 70% of it, they were able to tag it back to stress on some level. Now it's closer to 90%. So we have stress, must manage our stress and learn some techniques and some insights on that and look at the science. And we go through all the laws of health. So this book will give us the springboard. You know exactly where to start, things that you can do, simple everyday things. They're not complicated, but they are impactful. So that book will be available within about 4 weeks. It's in the editing process, maybe even sooner. But you can go to the website, give in your email address, and you can be informed when it becomes available. We're starting a list for that. Remember the saying, an ounce of prevention is better than a pound of cure. Let us not wait until sickness comes and now we have to shuffle. An ounce of prevention is better than a pound of cure. So let's reside on the side of prevention. That's our everyday goal. Things will happen and we're going to be armed for that. But our goal is to prevent things from happening, to get our immunity and our health up to the levels that are going to keep us above the fray. The links are below. And remember, all of our books come with a money-back guarantee. Cookbooks, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee. Cook from them, try a couple recipes, say, you know what, which I highly doubt, but just in case, right? I like to give you that security. But on our wellness books, you have a 90-day money-back guarantee. Gives you more time, because if we're making lifestyle changes, it's not going to happen overnight, right? It's a gradual, consistent thing. So on those, you have 90-day money-back guarantee. So nothing to lose, everything to gain.